What's going on, everybody? This is Fragged Out, Swagged Out, and you already know why I'm here. We talking that frag talk. But before I get into that, I want to talk about the company that I ordered my fragrance from. And the reason I want to do that is today when I opened this package, I looked inside the box, and what I saw really impressed me, enough for me to want to highlight crystalfragrance.com. Never ordered from them before. This is my first time, and I'm highly impressed with what I've seen so far. Inside the box, the first thing I saw was this on top, some samples, also another package sample from Jusbox, and all of these samples have labels and a spray top, not a dabber. So really important. I love that about it. Also, they took the time to print out the inventory of what comes inside, what the samples are. So it's honey, amber, eye patchouli, 14-hour dream, living loud, night flow, mula mula, inyitsima, which I believe is from Royal Crown. Lastly, and very important, is a kind of thank you note, and on it is a 20% off discount code for future purchase, which I really like. And lastly, the thing I was waiting for, Jusbox Golden Serenade. This is the most expensive fragrance in their collection, so as a blind buy, I really hope that it's one of the best smelling, or if not the best smelling in their collection. Again, another shout out to Marcial. He put me onto this company. I was ignoring them for a long time, and he gifted me with 14-hour dream. Fell in love with that, and at that point I knew I have to check them out some more. Since then I've purchased another one, I was gifted another one, and this is the third one to my collection. So I'm gonna just take off the sleeve here. And again, this is not really gonna be a first impression per se. It's kind of more just an unboxing, and I gotta smell it, of course. Box lifts, and man, oh man, that is pretty. It's one of the nicest bottles I've seen in a while. If you've seen Jusbox collection, you know this is what you get. Bottle with some coloring, but this color is gold, and that record on top is gold, and that is just really classy looking overall to me anyway. Loving this presentation. Easy, loving this presentation. I was reading a little bit about this. It's supposed to represent the first gold record ever in music history. Jusbox, as you may know, each different fragrance in their collection is supposed to represent a different important time in music history. So that's what this one represents. And the notes, top notes are saffron, clove. The heart, you have incense, patchouli, and the bottom you have oud oil, vanilla, opoponax, and amber xtreme. So I'm expecting something very Oriental, oudy, ambery leaning, and that's why I bought this, because yeah, right off the nozzle it smells of, whoa, that's a very strong atomizer. So this is not a review, as I said in the intro. I'm gonna play around with this a little bit more and give you a full review, but what I will say is this, right off the top, this is gonna be something special. This is going to be I don't even want to talk about what I get right now. This is what I got today. Jusbox Golden Serenade. Beautiful presentation. Once again, thank you to crystalfragrance.com for all the attention to detail. I'll be back later this week to talk some more about this. So if you're interested, write it down. And if I feel a lot of pressure to go ahead and do one sooner than later, I will do that And if you have any questions about this, feel free to ask. I might do the first impression, or actually my thoughts on it, on a live, so you might have the opportunity to ask me questions then. But once again, Jusbox Golden Serenade. That's my, unboxing, so to speak. It's fragged out, swagged out, and I'm out.